All right, so let's build a platformer in Godot. Okay, so we have a game, we have sound, we have enemies, magic, all of these things, but this probably isn't the scene you want to just open up with your game, right? You don't just like go straight into the first level. So let's create like a menu screen that we can load this level from. So we'll just go here and we'll create a new TD scene. We'll call this one main menu. We'll go ahead and save it in our scenes folder. And then remember here is our viewport. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and add a canvas layer. And inside our canvas layer, we will do a label. And we'll just call this Rainbow Wizard. It's our name of our game. Theme overrides. We'll set this to like 60. We can drag it in right there. And then we're going to need a button. So we'll add a button. And just say play game. Theme overrides, font sizes. We'll do this one like 40. Give it some width. And then we can just drop it down right there. So Rainbow Wizard, play game. This is great, but we're going to need to change in our project settings. On run, we want our main scene instead of to be level 1. Remember we set that earlier. We want it to be main menu. So close. And so now what you see is you get the game and a couple things. One, our UI from our game is showing up here, but also the actual screen isn't stretching with the game window. So what we can do to fix that is we come into project settings and we can go to window and then stretch mode instead of disabled. We'll call that canvas items. And then now this should stretch with our window. So you don't have to worry about it looking different, like, however your window is oriented. Yeah, so to get rid of the UI that's showing up on our game, we'll come back into level and we can actually game manager, sorry. We'll come into game manager and we can actually disable that there. And then in our level, we don't have a script here, so we can just add a new script for level 1 and we'll just do that. And then when the level is ready, instead of this, what we can do is, remember, because it gets loaded in root, we can call /root /game manager /GUI .show. And so what this will do is, by default, we've hidden the GUI in the game manager, but in a level that we want it to show in, we can call it and show it. And so now when we hit play, you'll see it's not there anymore. But we still can't do anything. We can't load our game yet. So let's go ahead and pop over into main menu, and we'll add a script here. So again, we want to select our scripts folder and then create. All right, and then we'll grab our button and then we can go to signals and we can say pressed. And it's going to ask, where do we want to put the script? We'll say connect. And now this is going to give us our on button pressed script. So the way that you load a scene when a button is pressed is you're going to get the tree, which is our node tree on the left. And then you can change scene to file. And this is going to ask for a file. So when our first level is level 1. So we'll just drag that in there. And this tells our button basically load level 1. So now when we have our game, we can hit play and it's going to load level 1. And we can play it however we would like.